In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zelle with IBC Bank, easy and fast. Zelle is a convenient way to send money between US bank accounts, but it only works through participating banks. That means the first thing we need to do is check whether IBC Bank offers Zelle directly inside its own mobile app or website. Open the IBC Bank app or sign in through the website, then head to the transfers area. You're looking for Zelle or a send money option in the transfer section. If you see Zelle listed there, great. That means IBC Bank supports it within your account. If you don't see it, I'll explain what that means in just a moment. If Zelle is available, sign into your IBC Bank account and go to transfers or send money. Select Zelle to begin enrollment. You'll be asked to register a US mobile number or an email address. Choose the one you use most consistently, since this is how people will find you on Zelle. Next, you'll receive a verification code by text or email. Enter that code to confirm it's really you and complete your enrollment. This quick verification step helps keep your account secure and ensures your Zelle profile is properly linked to your IBC bank account. Once you're enrolled, sending money is straightforward. Choose a contact from your list or enter a recipient's US mobile number or email, type in the amount, and confirm the transfer. Before you hit confirm, double check the recipient's details. Zelle transfers are typically fast and often can't be canceled once they're sent, so accuracy matters. This is perfect for sending money to people you trust, like friends, family, or known service providers. If Zelle is not built into the IBC Bank app or website, you won't be able to fully use Zelle with that bank anymore. The standalone Zelle app no longer supports new sending or receiving in most cases without an integrated bank partner. In that situation, consider other transfer services such as PayPal, Venmo, or Wise, which can provide similar functionality outside of Zelle's bank network. The key point to remember is that Zelle only works through participating US banks, and availability depends entirely on whether IBC Bank is integrated. If it's there, enroll and you're set. If it's not, choose a different transfer service that fits your needs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.